So I dyed my locks again. Not after a year. This is 7 months later. At this point, not gonna lie, color itch is getting very real. Anyway, spend the day with me in the salon because clearly this is who I am now. We started by taking down my two-strand twists, which I had for like 2 days. So tell me why these curls came out looking so defined like this. Because how is it that when I try to get definition, I'm always disappointed, but now with just water and vibes, my curls are popping. This time I used the Herbal Henna in color 1 black. It's a vegan powder hair color. Nothing too dramatic, just something that be gentle on my locks. I'm watching her mix the dye because I'm always open to the possibility of doing it myself. Just use plain water in that bottle to turn it into a nice paste that was not too runny. As a DIY babe, I've had a very complicated relationship with salons. I love doing my hair myself, but at the same time, there's just something about sitting back and letting someone else handle it. Especially my retie sessions, always so relaxing and of course saves me a lot of time. One thing I liked about this dye though, I didn't have to sit under a dryer or a heat cap because this dye works by depositing color on the hair when applied. So we just let it air dry for about 3 minutes, and honestly, anything that reduces discomfort is a win for me.
I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes, between them between them all this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. Knows advice, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck inside.
Now, washing is my favorite part, no debate. There's just something about it that is so relaxing, whether I'm doing it myself or not. Like in this moment, everything just slows down a bit. And I have to give it to her, she really took her time, not rushing, not just going through the motions. She was actually thorough with it, even down to asking me if there were specific spots I wanted her to focus on. Not gonna lie, I appreciated that because it just made the whole experience feel more intentional and not just routine. Funny story, the first time I dyed my locks was August last year. I wanted this deep burgundy color, very rich, very intentional, and it was a box dye, no bleach, so the color didn't show up properly at first. I was even told I would have to return for a touch up. But being me, I didn't come back for a second round. I actually liked the way it looked subtle and showed up only in the sun, very low key, very mysterious. That is until it started fading and slowly turned into this brown that was no longer giving what it was supposed to give. Well, definitely at this point, I knew I needed a change, but instead of going for the burgundy, I said, you know what, let's just go black because why not?
I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to you. I get lost when I look in your eyes. Demon eyes.
After washing, my hair looked so refreshed, and with the new color, I was halfway a new person. Now it was just time to get my grid back in order.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight. 'Cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine. Just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to you. I get lost when I look in your eyes, demon leave now, make your escape. You know the fortune favors the brave. So close, just get away. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to you. I get lost when I look in your eyes. Demon I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to you. I get lost when I look in your eyes. Demon
Honestly, I love this black color on my locks. I can't even lie. It came out looking so good. The kind of result that unlocks a new attitude.
all
In
this
fact, the angles
time.
didn't do it justice at all.
You've been
Truly, once you
holding
go
on
black,
so
you can't go back.
tight. 'Cause all
At
that
least
I
not for a
do
while. I'm going to be maintaining this
was
color
easy
for
to
now,
use.
and fingers crossed I can keep the
So
color
call
each
my
at bay
time,
for now.
but you
So this is
weren't
the final
really
look and I
mine.
really love how
Just
it
something
turned
to
out. Let me
do.
know in the comments what you think.
Thought
Are you
I
team
never
stick to one
knew.
hair color or team switch it up whenever you
No
like? I
surprise,
guess I'm
but
just a bit adventurous when it
nevertheless,
comes to
I'm still
finding my
stuck
color
in
personality.
self-defense.
So if you enjoyed this mini vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep sharing more realistic hair and life moments with you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.